Hi everyone, Dr. Jason here to teach you how to use your Theragun to treat tennis or golfer's elbow. Whether you're someone who plays 72 holes a week or likes to get in a few sets recreationally on the weekend, we all experience golfer's or tennis elbow at one time or another. Theragun is an amazing device to help you find relief and alleviate the overloading of the tendons surrounding the elbow due to repetitive motions of the wrist and arm. So here's what you're going to do. Step 1, pick your attachment. I like the dampener or the super soft for the elbow, but you can use whichever you like for this particular treatment. Remember, attachments allow you to personalize usage to your own needs. If you have a pro, you can adjust the arm angle to meet your need, but our ergonomic Theragun triangle design makes it easy to use almost anywhere on your body. Step 2, turn your Theragun on by holding the power button, then set your treatment speed. Remember to always turn it on before applying it to the body. Now determine which grip will feel the most natural for you to use while treating your elbow and the surrounding area. I recommend the reverse grip because it provides the most comfort and control when reaching across the front of your body with your opposing arm. Step 3, now for the fun part. Using your Theragun and finding the relief you're looking for. First, start by treating the muscles above and below the areas of pain. Due to overuse, the tight muscles attach to the bone and are pulling on the joint, which causes the inflammation. Treat the front and back of your forearm for 30 seconds. Then move up to the triceps and biceps and treat these areas for 30 seconds as well. Next, apply the device directly on the area where you're experiencing the tenderness. It may be sensitive at first, but after application for 3 to 5 seconds, your arm will acclimate and you can continue applying the device for an additional 15 to 30 seconds. Remember to stretch the flexors and extensor muscles for 10 to 15 seconds each post-application. Repeat this process twice a day. Remember, we want the Theragun to feel like an extension of your hand, so explore all speed, attachment, and grip combinations to find the one that's right for you and gives you the best results to help you get back to your full potential.